we came yesterday. Then I think very different condition and weather. A little bit cold here. Then I think we have a very good security and everything. The hotel wise, everything is good. Then I enjoyed the last couple of years also. I played here PSL. Then I think we have a very good tournament. I think going forward. I think I played so many games in Pakistan. Then cricket-wise, I think pitches are very good and conditions, everything very good. Pakistan and South Africa matches played really well. I saw the matches. Both teams played really well in a very good game. In the moment, we have a good team. Then my Charit captaincy and players are everything is prepared very well in the bowling side, batting side. I think normally we played Pakistan. We are playing really well in Asian games also. Then I hope have a good balanced team. We'll see going forwardly. I think we can do best in every game. I think T20 also and one day. Pathum batted really well. Last 2-3 years he batted really well. Then I learned a lot of things when I played Pathum with Pathum. And myself, I've played really well in a couple of years. And I hope in this tournament also I can give them my 100% for my team and my country. Then we'll see going forward. I hope we have very good batting unit. And Charith Asalanka batted really well. And Sadira, everyone, Kamdu Mendis, I think, all-rounder Wanidu, everyone played really well in Asia Cup. Then I think I hope in this tour we can doing well in two format. Sometimes he's a little bit angry, but very cool guy, and I learned a lot of things. He played a very good cricket career in all three format, and other coaches are very good. In bowling coach Darshana Gammage and fast batting coach Tilna Kandabi, he done really good job in the last couple of years, and new batting coach is coming, and we'll see. And he joined a few days ago. Then I happy to my coaching staff, and Sanat Jayasuriya given everything. He work and everything. He talk with the individual players also. I am very happy. I played a couple of matches in PSL. I think management wise very good. I am happy to work with management and players. And Nabil, my friend, he's one of my friends in Pakistan. I think players are very good. I played a couple of experienced players in the past. Experienced players, Shoaib Malik and Wahabias in our team member. I think I enjoyed the PSL, and captain also very good, and everyone is good. I learned a lot of things in PSL, and foreign players I played. I think huge players I played PSL. I think I enjoyed the PSL. Maybe next year also I played. I'm happy to play.